42 Jamaicans deported from the UK. This evening, they tell Primetime News their stories. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, opposition raises concern about mass deportation.
Private sector organisation issues threat to two main political parties.
PNP General Secretary responds to latest allegations in campaign financing scandal.
More protests out east.
In the business day, the latest petrol prices.
There's also the health report, the business day, well, we said that before, sports commentary, as well as weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What's your reaction to the 42 Jamaicans who were deported today from the United Kingdom?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at television jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.